Hello everyone, today I am going to start. Let's look at the position of the two hands of a clock with time. So here I have drawn three clocks and I can see the position of the clock. Here it is 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock, and as you can see the two hands of the clock is making different angle. Angle means the gap between these two hands. It's known as the angle. So here we can see that the three clocks are making three different angles, means we are getting three different angles for these three cases. Okay, now taking the protector, I will measure the each and every angle. This is the protector. So as you can see, this is the baseline, this is the point which I will fix here with the clock. Now I will see along this 3, I will make this, I will put this 0 mark of this protector along with 3. I want to show you a little zoom I want to make. Okay. Now here what I will measure? I will measure the distance between or the gap between this 3 and 12. So starting from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So here I am getting the angle between these two is 90. I am again showing you this measurement. You can see I am putting this baseline here along 3, and again I am starting to measure from 0, 10, 20, 30 like this. I am getting 90 degree. So here I am getting 90 degree, the angle between 3 and 12. This angle is, which is absolutely 90 degree, this angle is known as a right angle. So if the angle is 90 degree, it is called, if the angle is 90 degree, it is called right angle. Now take number 2 example. Now take number 2 example. I am going to number 2 example and I am going to measure with this protector. Now it is difficult to measure like this, so I am taking this as this 12 is like this and 2 is like this. So I am just rotating that one. Okay, I am just rotating. So what I am getting? I will put this here along the baseline, and then I am getting this as a 35 degree, almost 35 degree. See, I am showing you again. This is almost 35 degree. Again I am showing you. Okay, so this is 35 degree. So this angle I am getting 35 degree. Maybe you will get anything else, you can get 40, 45 or something like that, but it will be always less than 90 degree. So the angles which are the angles which are less than 90 degree are called acute angle. So 90 degree means right angle, less than 90 degree means acute angle. Then what about that third case where I am getting 4 o'clock? Okay, what about that? Now I am trying to measure this. I am taking this as a 12. Okay, and this 4 is like this. I am again just rotating the plane. So again put this here and see from 12. 12 is 0. Okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 90 like this, 10, 100, 90. After 90 I am getting 100, 110, 120, 130, almost 135. So I am getting here, this angle I am getting 135. So now see, this angle is greater than 90 degree. So angles greater than 90, you have to write it down everyone, greater than 90 degree are called, so that was acute, this will be obtuse. So 3 types of angles we are getting now, that is a right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. There is another type which is left. If you take the time 3:45, 3 and 9. So this is 3 and this is 9, 3:45. So as you can see, now the angle between the two hands is this. Now you place the protector like this here. Okay, now start from 3. This is 0, means start from here, that where the our hand is there in the place of 3. So start from here, 0, 10, 100, 20, 30 like this, 90, and here I am ending at 9. So I am starting from 3, I am ending at 9, I am getting this angle, this total angle is 180 degree. This is known as if the angle is 180 degree, this is known as a straight angle. So straight angle, that is the angle between the two hands, or the two straight line we can say. Okay, so 3 to 4 types of angles we are getting to know. So here in page 178 we have 40 degree, 90 degree like this. So 40 is less than 90, so it will be acute. 90 is 90 degree, that is right angle. 100 is greater than 90 degree, so it will be obtuse. 160 greater than 90 degree, it will be obtuse. 10 degree less than 90 degree, so it will be acute. 180 degree, this will be straight angle. 130 degree, obtuse angle. 80 degree less than 90 degree, so it will be again acute. 50 degree, acute angle. And the clock position, this we have already done. So when it is 3 o'clock, we can see that we have taken the example, this will be 90 degree, that is the right angle. When it is 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock means the two hands are making 180 degree, so this will be a straight angle. So if this is 12 and this is 6, this angle is also 180 degree. When it is 2, it will be less than 90 degrees, so we will call it an acute. When it is 4 o'clock, then it will be obtuse. Like this we have to do. Now if some angles are given, now how we will measure? Suppose this kind of example is given. It is saying this is AB, another thing is there C. Now they are asking us to measure this angle using the protector. Just you will do what? You will place this protector, I am showing you by zooming this one. You will place this protector here. This point will be in the point A, will coincide with the point A. Now this base line of the protector will be along AB towards B. So this is 0. Now starting 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. So I am getting this as 50 degree. So I will measure this and I will get 50 degree. Okay. Now if I draw another thing like this, this is P and Q, and now R is like this. Now this is the angle. We will go from Q to R. The same thing. I will place the this junction point here along P only, at the point P only, and I will see along Q to R, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 is greater than 130, and if you see this is 132. I don't know whether you will able to see or not. So it is 132 almost. Okay. So this is 132 almost. So this is greater than 90 degree, and this is, we can say this is obtuse angle. By this we have to measure the angle between two hands. So here in the chapter 15, this is very easy. Here you have to let's do ourselves. Right angle means how many degrees? 90 degrees. Straight angle means 180 degree. In the angles below, let marks with the acute angle with box and obtuse angle with circle. So I don't think there will be any problem. What acute and obtuse angle? What is acute angle and what is obtuse angle? You have to draw a diagram. So when you are explaining acute angle, so you can draw this diagram as an acute angle, and when you are explaining obtuse angle, you can draw this diagram as obtuse angle. Acute angle less than 90, obtuse angle greater than 90. Let's draw any three types of angle. So this is acute and obtuse. You can draw the right angle like this, and this will be 90 degree. Always you need to give some name, x, y, z or something like that. You need to give the name also. If you want, you can draw a straight line also. For that you also need to give name, that O, P, Q, like this you can give the name, and you have to mention this is 180 degree, that is a straight angle. So 15th chapter is completed. Next day we will start 16th.